I am Mukesh Kumar Paswan from Nepal. If you talk about my education, I have done CMA from Chinamasna Institute of Technology, Rajgras, Saptari, Nepal. I have done also graduate from Tirubhavan University, KTM, Nepal. If you talk about my working, I'm working in health post. I'm a health person. I have a government job and I have also YouTube channel. YouTube channel name is English with Mukesh. That's all about me.
Great, great. Good to hear that. Yeah. So, yeah, you tell me how's the weather from your side?
Yes, weather is hot, a lot hot feeling at this time.
Scorching heat.
Yes, yes, closing it
Okay.
in the night also, morning, evening, every time it's feeling hot.
Yeah. My side also same. Like it's total,
Ye-
humidity, sultry.
Yes.
Okay. So you want to talk on any topic, discuss about anything, and it would be like impromptu, without any preparation. We have to speak like whatever comes up. So do you want to go with any topic?
If any topics, so I am giving one topic. It's dowry system. Dowry system. It's suitable
Mm-hmm.
for in community or not? How is important? How is not important? Dowry system. Dowry system. Why is giving a lot and who has no money? So what do they? So discuss about dowry system.
Okay, nice topic. So we know that it's a social injustice, dowry system, right? And it has been happening from the starting, from the ancient time, right? And it's a form of custom, you can say ritual, and that's really mandatory when it is the matter of marriage. So it is about giving the money. It could be in the form of money. It could be in the form of any like accessories, furniture, or even assets, right? So, and yes, jewelry. So it is the form of these things, meaning that's called dowry, and to be given to the boy's side family from the bribe sides. And it has been happening from very long, and I think somewhere it's not really good because so many mishappening occurred because of this social injustice in our India. It's really prevalent, quite rampant, because many times so many people they have just volume up their voice against this injustice, but all just went in vain. There was no avail because sometimes it just worked, sometimes it didn't work. Meaning, if the both of the parties are really like there's a mutual understanding and they are really interested, they have the willingness to get the dowry, and one, the other side is totally willing to give the dowry, so there is no any matter of fight or any kind of I can say misunderstanding. So sometimes both of the parties, meaning a girl's parents and the boy's parent, both of them are really that time agreed, and they are good to go that time. They just do this, they just entertain these kind of social injustice, but somewhere it's not good. Talking about village area, so it's nowadays till today till date this is really rampant. It's happening, it's widespread, mostly in village area, and in city area it also happens, but somewhere it is given a kind of name of showcasing pompous, right? Like to showcase the society. So we do it uh, in a pomp and show way, with a scintillating way. And yes, internally there's a system. The system is going on, meaning giving the dowry to the other party. So this happens, but somewhere it's not. good enough, and it's really, I can say, kind of baggage for a parent, girl's parent. If the parent is, if the father is not really, financially stable, so it's a big pressure for them. It's a big pressure because they want to get girl to be married. On the other hand, they have to just cater these kind of in the form of dowry. So it's not healthy thing, I can say, for a father if he's suffering from any kind of financially adversities. I think it's a big crisis for a parent if they are not financially stable. So it happens, and it's really prevalent in the society. It's really evasive. We cannot eradicate this social injustice from the roots, but because it is deep rooted, it has been happening from the ancient time, right? So it is deep rooted, but yes, we can change it by changing our mindset with the help of education, and by spreading this awareness that it's not good, it's not good enough, and it is a social injustice and need to be eradicated. And yes, government has also made so many rules and regulation, the kind of enforcements, right? But even though it is still in the air, still happening in the society, right, in the name of showcasing, right?
Yes, yes, yes.
Yeah, so these were my thoughts.
Yes, that's great. Your thought, which is need, which is necessary at this time. This is thought. Yes, a dowry is giving good. Yes, what do they have? They have money. They have jewelry. They give lot to daughters. Everybody wants to give to the daughters. If I have a lot of
Mhm.
money, if I have everything, then I can do for two daughters. But nowadays, uh, bridegroom side compel you have to give 10 lakh, 20 lakh. You have to pay.
Mhm.
Only I will marriage.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
that is not good. Yes, yes. Every parents think if I able that things I give to daughters. But who have money, who have jewelry, they give. They are daughters happy in bridegroom house, but they have no money. He is poor, so they cannot able to pay a 5 lakh, 10 lakh money. And after then, uh, the daughters feeling sad and many types of social justice means
Yeah.
family problems they have to face in community and Nepal and India. This is the big problem in every house, every community. Pay. So this is not good. One thing, not give, not take. One type of rules for every society persons. Just you have a daughter, you have sister, you take dowry. You have also sister,
Mhm.
have to give also dowry. So why? This is
Exactly.
don't no give, no take. This concept is good, but no
But it will not work.
no any
To
person.
some extent, it can work to some
Yes,
extent, but it will not work because it's really, widespread. It's a, you can say, the notions of people. It's a very old notions. preoccupied notions.
Yes,
So it's a hard nut to crack, and it's a very hard nut to crack to uproot it
yes,
from the roots. Yeah, somewhere it's thriving in old people's mentality because they have some kind of narratives they have set, right? So anyhow, we are trying, and the talking about the youth nowadays, they are really becoming aware
yes,
towards this, right? And they just don't want to get into this, and this is why somewhere it's not entertaining. This dowry system, it's not entertaining.
yes, yes,
But on the other hand, some people who have such preoccupied notions, so they will entertain it anyhow. They will demand a dowry, and they will not name it as a dowry. They will say that you know let's say jewelry, let's say the any property asset or anything. Let's say a luxurious car. So we want a luxurious car. Such kind of conditions they put. They will not just name it like this is a dowry and we are asking for a dowry. They will not demand like this way. There are so many ways to put their conditions, right? But I can say it cannot be eradicated with the help of education, by spreading the knowledge, and to just spread this awareness that how much it's a kind of evil thing, you know with the education.
yes,
By educating people, will somewhere will just get the hang of it little bit. We can just control to some extent.
yes, 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 yes. Yes, who is educated, but some places are used free of cost. They go to understanding both sided, and they
Exactly.
without dowry they do marriage. But
Mm-hmm.
some who is educated, they think, oh, I spent a lot of money for a study. I am doctor, I am engineer, so I
Yeah, this is their
take
excuses.
yes, I have to take this which expend in my study how much
Mm-hmm.
money, so I will pay to the parents of daughter. Yes,
Yeah, right.
this is not good. If you are educated, if you have knowledge, yes, this is the tradition. This is not good for my society, my family. And if you take at this time, you dowry, what you in future, you have you will be get a daughter. Then you have to automatically you have to pay. Yes,
Mm.
even then,
Yeah.
not understood. Just I take, I give. So that
Mm-hmm.
sort of person, educated, uneducated, is not different. Uneducated is also demanded.
Yeah,
I
and I totally deplore them.
yes,
To the people who ask for dowry, and because it's really atrocious. It's so bad.
yes,
Some people, like I'm talking about girl side, the parent, they are not really well off. They're not wealthy, and just out of compulsion, they just try to supplement the dowry in any form.
yes, yes, yes. And I'm asking, uh, what kinds of do you suggest? Yes, who don't want to take dowry? Do you have any idea? What should we take?
See, if anyone who is doing so, they are not asking for a dowry, and they are really satisfied with the things. They want the girl. They want only the girl and not the dowry. So I think it's really appreciable, and we should I can say just root them.
Yes,
We should root them. We should appreciate them, encourage them. Such people who are not interested to take the dowry, and they are, because they are somewhere really understandable, they are really, sensible personality. Whosoever are doing such things, they are not asking for money, asking for any kind of any form of dowry. So it's really amazing. It's really noticeable, I would say. So whosoever who's really, not interested in taking dowry, so I would really would like to encourage them, thank to them, because it's a matter of thanking to them. We should be really thankful to such people who are not interested to take the dowry, because they are, if they are asking the dowry to the other person, to the girl's side, so there's a big pressure. Not each and every parent, they are really, well off, and they are really, managing, they are being able to manage everything. Like you can say they slog for hours. Even every person, I would not say girl side's parent, each and every parents, they are doing a lot of work hard and slogging for 8 to 10 hours in a day. So yes, they are doing very like hard work, but I would say asking for dowry, it's not right. It should be uprooted, and to uproot them, we should encourage to the youth, and it could be done just with the help of education. We should educate not to the boys. We should also try to encourage to the people to educate their girl child, as it is also really, widespread in the society that girls, are being, killed. Small girls, like the just baby girl, baby born, and she's being killed by the parent.
Yes.
You can say the fetus, when they
Fetus.
come to know
Fetus.
this is a like baby girl.
Yes,
Yeah,
yes, yes.
yeah, in the womb there's a baby girl, so
Girl.
they just do this.
Yes,
They
yes.
deliberately do, because they don't want a girl anymore,
Able.
because for from their mindset, it's a baggage, it's a pressure to bring them up, and for their upbringing, so they take it a big pressure burden.
Yes, yes, yes. Yes. This is good. This is good. Yes. And fetus death in the pregnant time if short goals of baby. So this is not good. And mentally said, I have to pay the marriage time a lot of money. So when how I took where I got money. So that is not sufficient for me. These situations, if I have a lot of doubters, so that's why they died to the baby
Hmm.
fetus. Is not good because dowry
Yeah,
is
right.
causes of dowry. Yes, if
Exactly.
dowry is not one type of impact, so this is not to be will be that to the fetus, but causes of dowry. Yes. And
Hmm.
another one thing is if dowry system is less, dowry system is decreases in our society. So every man and woman are equitable. Yes. This is a difference between a lot women and men, boy and daughters.
Hmm.
It is what can say uh, inequality each other.
Yeah.
Yes. So
Disparity.
disparity. Yes. And many parents think to give dowry, but they have no money. They can't be able to give money. So that is the one type of
Hmm.
horse which poor. Yes. And which educated person, they understood. Some educated are to do practice. They are not taking dowry. Yes, they are free of cost to marriage son. Yes, and
Hmm.
which is dowry money they use for the social work. Some persons, I some person, some money distribute to the who is poor man. Just like as we have no even food, clothes, they provide.
You're right.